We've all seen the heartbreaking images. Oceans choked with plastic, wildlife tangled in our trash. It feels like an impossible problem. We've created a material that will outlive us for centuries, a permanent scar on our planet. Or is it? What if I told you that nature, in its incredible resilience, has already started fighting back? What if the solution to our plastic crisis was microscopic, hiding in plain sight? Get ready, because we're about to dive into the amazing world of a tiny superhero, a bacterium called Ideonella sakaiensis. This isn't science fiction. This is real, groundbreaking science. In 2016, a team of Japanese scientists discovered this remarkable microbe living in a recycling plant. And it was doing something no one thought possible. It was eating plastic. Specifically, it was munching on PET, the very same plastic used to make our water bottles and food containers. So how does this tiny organism accomplish such a monumental feat? It's all thanks to two special enzymes it produces. Think of enzymes as molecular scissors, and these are designed for one job: cutting up plastic. The first enzyme, called PETase, latches onto the surface of the plastic. It then snips the long, complex polymer chains of PET into smaller, more manageable pieces. But it doesn't stop there. Second enzyme, called PETase, swoops in to finish the job. It breaks down those smaller pieces into their original chemical building blocks: terephthalic acid and ethylene glycol. Essentially, this bacterium has evolved a two-step digestive system for one of the most common plastics on Earth. It's not just breaking it down into smaller microplastics. It's completely deconstructing it, turning it back into the raw materials from which it was made. This process is called bioremediation, using living organisms to clean up our environmental messes. And the discovery of Ideonella sakaiensis has opened up a whole new frontier. Scientists, inspired by nature's ingenuity, immediately saw the potential. They began studying the PETase enzyme, trying to understand exactly how it worked its magic. By analyzing its structure, they were able to tweak it to make it even better at its job. And they succeeded beyond their wildest dreams. Through genetic engineering, they created a super-enzyme, a modified version that can break down plastic 6 times faster than the one found in nature. Imagine, a process that used to take centuries in the ocean could now potentially take just a few days in a lab. This changes everything. Right now, most of our plastic recycling is actually downcycling. A plastic bottle doesn't get recycled into another bottle of the same quality. It gets turned into something of lower value, like carpet fiber or a park bench. It's a one-way street that eventually leads back to the landfill. But with this enzymatic process, we have the potential for true closed-loop recycling. Picture this. You finish a bottle of water. Instead of it ending up in a landfill or the ocean, it goes to a special facility. Okay? There, these super enzymes break it down into its pure chemical components. Those components are then used to create a brand new, crystal clear plastic bottle identical in quality to the original. This is the dream of a circular economy for plastics, where our waste becomes a valuable resource and we no longer need to produce new plastic from fossil fuels. Now, we're not quite there yet. The challenge is scaling this technology up from the lab to an industrial level that can handle the millions of tons of plastic waste we produce every year. It requires more research, more investment, and a complete rethinking of our recycling infrastructure. But for the first time, we have a scientifically proven, nature-inspired pathway to truly solve the plastic crisis. This tiny bacterium has given us hope. It's a powerful reminder that even when we create a problem that seems permanent, the natural world has an astonishing capacity to adapt and provide solutions. The future of plastic might not be about finding ways to get rid of it, but about learning how to live with it in a sustainable, circular way. What do you think about this amazing discovery? Could this be the key to a plastic-free ocean? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And if you found this as fascinating as I did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories on science and innovation. See you next time.